time that I lied, I just needed to be free. I was dumb, it wasn't me. You know, I was young and afraid, always looking after me. But I think I finally see it all. I should've treated you better, should've treated you right. 'Cause the grass ain't greener on the other side. I should've treated you better, should've treated you right. 'Cause the grass ain't greener on the other side. I should've treated you better, should've treated you right. 'Cause the grass ain't greener on the other side. I should've treated you better, should've treated you right. 'Cause the grass ain't greener on the other side. I used to hate your stubborn ways, but now I don't want you to change. All your love was all too much. Now I need to feel your touch. Every time that I lied, I just needed to be free. I was dumb, it wasn't me. You know, I was young and afraid, always looking after me. But I think I finally see it all. I should've treated you better, should've treated you right. 'Cause the grass ain't greener on the other side. I should've treated you better, should've treated you right. 'Cause the grass ain't greener on the other side. I should've treated you better, should've treated you right. 'Cause the grass ain't greener on the other side. I should've treated you better, should've treated you right. 'Cause the grass ain't greener on the other side. I know why you talk to me like you're all in, like we're something. You said you never fall for me, so why you calling early morning? I told you before just to say you feel like me or not. You know how I feel about you, baby, why don't you stop? 1 minute shorter than you're gone, 'cause you say it's not all that we got, all that we're not. And if this is mind control, you do it to me alright. Think about you all night. You won't let me let you go. I can't get you out of my mind. Mind control. And it, you do it to me. Think about you. Mind control. And it, can't get you out of my mind. Think about you. And if this is mind control, you do it to me alright. Think about you all night. You won't let me let you go. I can't get you out of my mind. I wanna give you all of me. I've been trying. I wanna give you all of me. I've been trying, but you deny it. Ooh, baby, I can't even fall asleep without fighting. Hypnotizing is all you do to me. I told you before just to say if you like me or not. You know how I feel about you, baby, why don't you stop? 1 minute shorter than you're gone, 'cause you say it's not all that we got, all that we're not. And if this is mind control, you do it to me alright. Think about you all night. You won't let me let you go. I can't get you out of my mind. Mind control. And it, you do it to me. Think about you. Mind control. And it, can't get you out of my mind. Think about you.
You can have 2 sips of water and then get ready for pranayam. So we are going to do 10 minutes of pranayam today. Make sure you're sitting while you drink your water. We'll do the abdominal breath followed by Bhastrika and also the Kapalbhati. So 10 minutes. Get comfortable. If you want, place a pillow under your ankle if you are feeling pain while you sit in Vajrasana. Place your right hand on your chest, left hand on your stomach. We are going to blow the air in and then breathe out, squeeze our stomach. So let's do this 3-4 times. Come on, start breathing in, push your stomach out, lift your chest, hold your breath inside. And then let go, drop your chest, squeeze your stomach, squeeze your abdominal area. So we have done a lot of work on our muscles. Let's send oxygen. That will help you to burn more calories. Keep breathing in and out at your speed. But make sure you're expanding. It's not just normal breath. You have to push your stomach out, lift your chest, expand your ribs, your lungs, and then you have to let go. Feel the oxygen flowing in each and every part of your body as you breathe in, hold for 2 seconds, and then breathe out, let go. One last time, deep inhale, hold it at the top, and relax. Breathe out, let go. Hands on your lap. So it's good if you do all the pranayams keeping your eyes closed. First round of Bhastrika, loose fist near your shoulders. First a normal breath. Empty your lungs before you start. For Bhastrika, breathe in, out, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5. Continue at your own speed. 10 more. Come on. In 9, in 8. This is so important, doing pranayams after our workout. This is what is going to increase our stamina because the lungs are already working. Make sure you're breathing in and out. After the last round, you're going to hold the breath inside. Breathe in, look up, and then hold. Try to squeeze your stomach, squeeze your buttocks. Hold the breath inside. 3, 2, 1. Whenever you want, you can slowly release. So these are the bandhas, the locks that we are going to apply after our second round as well. Loose fist. Take a normal breath. And let go. For Bhastrika, breathe in, out. In 2, in 3, in 4. In 5, 10 more, in and out. After you finish the rounds, you are going to apply the locks. In, out. Do not be lazy. You have to fill your lungs completely as you take your hands up. Push the air out as you breathe out. And relax. Breathe in, look up. Hold the breath inside. Don't let go. 5 seconds. You have to hold the breath inside your body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. See how the prana is rising up. Last round. Make a fist. Normal breath in. You can start. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, out. Minimum 15 breaths. If you want, you can do 20 as well. Pranayams are going to help you for weight loss, to increase your stamina, also to open your body. So do not skip even a single breath. Give your 100%. Relax, breathe in, look up. Hold the breath inside. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you may release the locks. So in your lock, you have to squeeze your stomach, you have to hold the breath, squeeze your throat. Slowly come out of Vajrasana, sit in Sukhasana. We are going to take 10 breath in and out before we start Kapalbhati. Breathe in, out. 2, 3. It's good if you keep your eyes closed. Just trying to get the rhythm of your breath back. A lot of cleansing is happening inside. Come on, you can do 10 more. 10, 9, 8. Conscious breathing. 5, 4, 3. And ready for Kapalbhati. Breathe in. Start. Keep moving your stomach in and out, in and out. Work your core. This is also an excellent pranayam to lose weight. Keep pulling your stomach in and out. Minimum 40, maximum you can do 60 breaths. Be gentle with your breath, but at the same time, keep moving your stomach in and out. You can relax after this round. We have 2 more rounds to go. Ready for second round? Breathe in and start. Don't forget to move your stomach in and out. Sit straight. It will be good if you keep your eyes closed. And relax. Take normal breath in and out. One last round, giving your 100%, lot of force and enthusiasm. Breathe in and start. In, out, in, out, in, out. Keep your count. And you may relax. Bring your legs together, feet together, and drop your head down like we do in butterfly. We are going to stay here in the pose for at least 1 minute. So relax, eyes closed. If you're not able to reach down completely, place your hands and just drop your head, eyes closed. Connect with your breath. Just observe what is happening in your body. What is happening in your mind. Bringing your mind to your breath. If you can, take your head down. Drop your head on your feet, on your toes. Just stay here for 1 minute. Close your eyes. I'll tell you when it's time to come up. Do not be in a hurry. Connect with your body, connect with your mind. Before we start our practice, bring your mind to the present moment. And whatever we have learned till now, Ashtang A, Ashtang B, Let's just forget everything. And as if we are going to try, we are going to do it for the first time. Unlearning everything. This is the first time we are doing these practices. That way we'll approach today's session. Let us honor the practice. There is no hurry today. We are going to, for next 20 minutes only, we are going to slow down. Do everything with as much as perfection as we can. Okay, come to the top of your mat. Join your legs together. Join your hands in Namaste pose. No gap between your feet. Stand straight. Squeeze your stomach. Breathing in, reach for the sky. Reach up, lengthen your spine. Breathe out, fold forward. Head close to your knees. Knees are straight. Breathe in, come halfway up. Tighten your core. Arch your lower back. Push your hip back. Look straight. Breathe out, jump back. Take your time to do Chaturanga. Bring your body forward on the edge of your toes, almost on your nails. Elbow touching your body. Down in Chaturanga. Up in upward facing. Look towards the ceiling. Go back in down dog. Now stay here 2-3 breaths. Do not be in a hurry in any of the posture. I want you to stretch a little more. You have to open up your body today. Focus on your body. Deep inhale. Bend both the knees. Try to jump in between your hands. Halfway up. Squeeze your stomach. Head close to your knees. Knees straight. Breathe in. Hands up. Reach for the sky. Lengthen. Breathe out. Relax. 11 more rounds with lot of awareness. Namaste. Breathe in, hands from the side, go up, lengthen. Breathe out, fold forward. Head close to your knees, knees straight. Breathe in, halfway up. Breathe out, jump back. Chest in between your hands, elbows touching your body. Lift up for upward facing. Look towards the fan, ceiling. Go back, down dog. Stretch completely. Push your chest towards your thighs. Straighten those knees. Press your heels into the ground. Engage your upper back. Press your hands into the mat. Bend both the knees, jump forward. Come halfway up. Head close to your knees. Breathing in, hands up, lengthen, stretch. Breathe out, relax. Okay, we'll do it a bit faster. Breathe in, lift your chest up. Breathe out, squeeze your stomach. Breathe in, head up. Breathe out, jump back. Elbows touching your body as you do Chaturanga. Lift up, upward facing. Go back, down dog. Jump forward. Head up. Head close to your knees. Touch your knees. Breathe in, hands up. Breathe out, Namaste. Round 4. Reach for the sky. Reach for the earth. Halfway up. Jump back. Elbows touching your body, chest touching your thumb. Lift up. Push back. Stretch a little more, lengthen. Jump in between your hands, halfway up. Head close to your knees. Reach for the sky. And breathe out. Round 5. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in halfway. Breathe out, jump back. Chaturanga, upward facing, down dog. Jump forward. Halfway, head up. Head close to your knees, hands up. And Namaste. Round 6. After this, you're going to do on your own. You will start sweating and your heart rate will be up by 12 rounds if you do it with lot of intensity. Don't just do it moving from one pose to the other. Each pose try to stretch and open a little more. And if you do it a bit slower, that will be more effective when you are doing these kind of sun salutation. So we are halfway there. Continue with 6 more rounds. Come on. When you come down, head has to touch your knees. When you come halfway up, squeeze your abdominal area. Keep your core tight the entire time. At the same time, you have to work your lungs. If you're only moving from one posture to other, it won't be that effective. In and out, fully working your lungs. Lot of intensity, lot of lengthening, stretching and contracting. You can do 4 more rounds, minimum 4 more rounds. If you want to continue after 12 rounds, just pause the video and go up till 15. But as it's our first day, let's not stretch too much. Let's work on opening our body rather than sweating or burning calories. We have to open up a little more. We'll take our time. Do not be in a hurry for anything. Only focus is our breath. Rest, everything will happen on its own. Observe if you're breathing fully in and out. If you're out of breath, just pause for 2-3 seconds, 5 seconds. Do some deep breathing and then come back. Let these mantras and music flow in your body and do 3 more rounds. Finish this round and come up. Last round will combine 3-legged dog and warrior 1. So breathe in from the sides, reach up for the sky, lengthen your spine, lift your hands, lift your elbows, lift your shoulders. Breathe out, fold forward, knees straight. Head up, breathe in. Breathe out, jump back. Do a chaturanga, chest close to the floor. Breathe in, up, upward facing. Breathe out, down dog. Now we'll go in 3-legged dog and hold it there for at least 8 to 10 seconds. So get ready on the right side. Lift your right leg up. Knee straight, toes pointing towards the ceiling. Come on your toes. Lift your left heel up. Try to straighten your knee as much as you can. Squeeze your right buttocks. Push your chest towards your left thigh and come down. Repeating on the left side, left leg goes up. Straighten that knee up in the air. Lift your right heel as well. Feel a deep stretch and come down. Once again, lift your right leg up. Ashwasanchala Asana. We are going to take our leg, place it in between our hands and stay there for 8 seconds. Do not be in a hurry to go down. Come on, adjust your body. Your right foot is exactly in between your hands. Push your pelvis down, hip down, straighten your left knee. Hold 5 more seconds. 5, 4, keep pressing your hip down. 3, 2, and 1. Ready for warrior 1. Take your time, adjust your body, find your balance. We are going to hold warrior 1 for 10 seconds. So before coming up, find your balance. Now see where your hands are. When you take your hands up, see where they are. If they are forward, bring them back. Push your hands back. They have to be in one line with your ears. Hands are in one line with your ears. Elbow straight. Push your pelvis down, bend your knee. Right thigh is parallel to the floor. Arch your back and look up towards the ceiling. Hold, don't give up. Hold the pose. 3, 2, stretch a little more. Squeeze your stomach. Just 1 more second. Deep inhale. And exhale. Bring your hands down. Take your leg back. Rest in Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing. And then we'll repeat on the other side. Lift your left leg up. Place it in between your hands. Ashwasanchala Asana. Push your hip down, pelvis down. See if your foot is exactly in between your hands. Straighten that right knee. Hold the pose. Feel a deep stretch. Ready for warrior 1. First find your balance, adjust your body. Drop your heel. Come up and hold. Try to hold for 10 seconds this time. Come on, elbow straight, biceps touching your ears. Observe your upper body. Now start lifting your chest, squeeze your stomach. Left thigh is parallel to the floor. Bend your knee, hips down. Engage each and every muscle. One deep inhale. And come down. Take your leg back. If you want, you can repeat the warrior 1 pose. After that, you can rest in child's pose. Once again, connect with your breath. Observe what is happening in your mind with your breath. Keep your eyes closed and relax. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.